Here's a simple hack to make your first $100 today, even if you've never made any money online. Now, obviously, the best way to make $5,000 to $10,000 a month is to just build a sustainable online business. But since that obviously takes a lot of time, today we'll be only focusing on quick ways to just make your first $100 online, to break the belief that most people have and that prove that you actually can make your first $100 online. So here are 4 things that you can do right now to make your first $100 today. Very first one, this is going to be very specific, but you can go to Audible affiliate program, and Audible affiliate program actually allows you to get paid $5 for completely free each time someone signs up for free trial. And Audible is this company made by Amazon, as you can see, an Amazon company where people can listen to audiobooks, so you can give away audiobooks, and when people sign up from your link you get paid $5. Where in order to make $100, you just need 20 people to sign up from your affiliate link. And hear me out, this is $5 per free trial plus another $10 if they actually sign up for the paid membership. But even if you can just give away 20 books today for completely free, you will be paid $100. So making $100 is definitely possible. I'm not saying it's going to be easy, it's not guaranteed, but if you do the things correctly, you can probably get 20 people to just sign up for free. They don't even have to buy anything. So what you can essentially do is, once you sign up to Audible affiliate program, you just go back to Amazon, you search for some audiobook, let's say Atomic Habits audiobook, and then you just click on it, and then you can just click on text over here. As you can see, this book is completely free, so someone can get it for free, and then we can just create our special affiliate link over here. So just click on text, and that's going to give you your affiliate link, which is going to look something like this. If someone goes to this link, they will be taken to the same page, but now there's going to be tracking, meaning that if you get this book for free, you'll get $5 into your Amazon affiliate account. You can just promote this on Facebook, Instagram, send this to your friends and family, promote it on Pinterest. There's a bunch of different platforms. You just need to get 20 people to sign up for free. Second way that you can make your first $100 or even more is by promoting the Online Business Academy affiliate program, which is essentially at onlinebusinessacademy.com/affiliate. You can just sign up for completely free, and you can start promoting offers from the Online Business Academy. There's a bunch of courses, coaching program, global events, so they literally have meetups all around the world, and these events cost tens of thousands of dollars, and you can earn affiliate commissions for all of these different events that are available. But there's also a bunch of different classes, different step-by-step courses you can promote and earn affiliate commissions in the online business space. And you can just sign up for free for this affiliate program. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website, just click on affiliate program, or just go straight to onlinebusinessacademy.com/affiliate. You just need one sale to make well beyond just $100, and there's a bunch of other people making thousands of dollars a day with this strategy. And the fourth way you can make your first $100 online today is going to be a task taker. So you can just get as many different money making apps and websites and just go all in on all of them today until you actually make your $100, because all these different apps don't really pay a lot. Maybe you can make 10 or even $15 with this one, or even 20, because all of these different apps don't really pay a lot. Maybe you can make $10 with this one, $15 with this one, $20 with that one. But if you combine all of them, you can potentially get rich by getting $100 in one single day. So I made a list of bunch of different money making apps. For example, this one gets you paid to watch videos, this one pays you to become a friend, this one pays you for different things, this one pays you for completing tasks. There's a bunch of different things that you can do to get paid, and again, these apps don't pay you a lot, but if you combine them, you can potentially get to $100 in one single day. And I left the full list of these money making apps and websites for completely free inside the description box down below. I really hope that you got some value out of this video, and if you did, make sure to drop a like down below, and I'll see you next time.